Welcome to a short video how we have modified our Toyota Hilux Revo for our overland trips. It is important to note that our setup is based on multiple needs. It is my daily driver, we use it for fishing trips, towing our Jurgen's off-road trailer and as a capable overland vehicle. Careful consideration has been given to space, weight and weight distribution and general ease of use with the packing system while overlanding. It is modular and can be removed in total if I require the vehicle for other purposes. In this video I will be addressing the back end or canopy part of the vehicle to keep the video short. Hi, I'm Bram from Experience Wild Africa. Just wanted to show you the modifications to our Toyota Hilux that we did for our overlanding setup. First of all, I changed the back bumper to a proper steel bumper with decent recovery points. This black bumper was made by ARB Outback, and the total weight of this replacement versus the standard Toyota one with the Toyota hitch, this one is 7 kilograms lighter than the standard one. I like the removable tow hitch, which is quite nice. It allows me more of a departure angle when I go off-road. Another nice feature is the protected 7-pin plug for the trailer or caravan, and then I've got a Brad Harrison plug which feeds power to the trailer to charge the batteries at the back. What I've also done is at the bottom here I've installed a 70-litre fuel tank, which means that I had to drop the spare wheel from its normal place by 45 millimeters. It hasn't stopped me or hindered me in any of the tracks and or off-road obstacles that we've done to date, which is actually quite nice. My total fuel capacity is 150 liters, of which 140 is actually usable. Other than that, other modifications that we've done was to fit a 2-drawer system plus a fridge slide and a packing deck for additional chairs or clothing bags or whatever is required. We store all our kitchen accessories and food in these 2 drawers. Kettle, mugs, plates, cutlery, coffee, tea, sugar, spices, snacks and the extension for our water outlet. Food is stored mainly in the bottom drawer. See-through plastic bins help keep things organized, and in case there is a spill or mess, it is contained. Snacks is stored behind the bins to make it easy to get to. We like to use a double fold-up washing basin for our dishwashing. It weighs practically nothing and saves a lot of space when it needs to be packed away. It is durable and is big enough for all our dishwashing needs. Water is provided via a 12-volt water pump from a 55-litre water tank installed behind the fridge and double drawer system. On top of the water tank I have a tool and spares box with a 12-volt deep cycle battery. All of this is below the packing deck, which allows for weight to be as low and far forward as possible. We love our 2 portable stoves, driven by 220-gram gas canisters. On our recent Botswana trip of 10 days, we used 6 canisters. We brought 10 in total, just in case we needed some more. We also have a Howling Moon rooftop tent with an extension. This rooftop tent is 2.1 meters by 1.4 meters wide. It has enough space for 2 adults. We used to share the space with our children when they were little, but both are grown up now. Part of this setup is a DIY power box, which allows me to monitor the state of my battery. I've got solar input, I've got connection to the alternator, I have USB plugs to allow me to charge cell phones, tablets, stuff like that, and then I've got an extension which basically feeds a smaller power box to power my fridge and some lights. Then I have a connection for the power box directly to the deep cycle battery, some fuses and some halo plugs. Part of this is directly connected to the battery is a 500 watt inverter that allows me to charge my laptop, video cameras, etc. I have a CTEC 250 DS DC to DC charger, which allows me to charge the deep cycle battery from the alternator and from solar panel input. Part of the platform, since I have a frame in place, I decided to attach this piece of aluminium squared off, covered with carpet, to allow me additional space just above the wheel arches, which is fantastic for packing heavy things like my recovery equipment, additional cold drinks, or whatever the case may be. And this is just a normal space behind the wheel arch, which allows me for fantastic storage space. For instance, I can fit 2 jerry cans in here, or 3 bags of wood. Weight is your enemy, and we constantly strive to reduce weight in and on top of the vehicle. Whenever we plan an overland trip, we use a spreadsheet with an items list, with a weight value for each item we are packing. This way I can calculate the weight distribution and, if need be, move things around in the vehicle so I can have the most balanced vehicle I possibly can. The first time I used this calculator of mine, I was quite surprised at how lopsided I would have packed the vehicle for our trip. Just because something fits in that space does not mean it is a good position for it. I hope you enjoyed the short video of how I pack and prepare my Toyota Hilux for our overland trips. Please like and subscribe, it does help to grow my channel. Till next time.